mwebare kwija buri omwe omukitinisa kye. Amazina nibanyeta Medotex Americana Kajara Boy, ndi omweshongozi wanyu wa Uganda konka ari kusinzira owabo muri Burengero Izoba. Nimbasima mwebare kutukunda, mwebare kutukwasa, mwebare kwikiriza kuba nitwe mu burembera. Turiyo ntuombeka industry ebintu nukono mbere bati byanguhi konko butubine amshuwa ngo ntuza kuhangura. Ntujeta Ankore Carnival season yo kubanza neza kubaho urwa katano omukishayi cya mate habusera hari. So nimbashaba ngumazima mwije mwena kuko mwije rizoba kandi buri muntu watunga ka footage kiyakwataha atwongere kutuyamba katupostingire ayongere kugambira mutahiwe nondije agambiro ndijo tubase gukora season yo kubanze bonere kikatuyamba ubwo mukoro tugumana tugukora tugakwa mani aho kumukwa mutizire mukatuhagira ibintu nibitushobera. Nyenda kusima ba sponsors bitu nza kutandika na Starbucks mbo basingire yo kututeka mamani minji munonga mwebare munonga kuba awa kutwicerezamu abo kuba companies ni nyingi zitwentunywera amajuta ubwire buringwa tingarebaga nomwe wa sponsoringira nangwa karaoke. So Starbucks nimwetago bugaro bw'amani abo kuba bashaba katunyunyura mwe sente kurubwira tine wonda rebere na ruga yo kugira kiyayamba. Nsime munonga makutano tutwire ntukora nawe buri kimwe nakigezaho kandi ureba ngo nubwo ari umucyara konkagezaho ne byabashija kwena ngo nabyabikore ako washangu nagezaho no kwenda kuba promoter akagezaho no kwenda kwemerera nito mu burembera we ware munonga nje nzaguma tukagira hitukubasa. Aquafina Pepsi abo batwire barya abantu bitkurugira numukimanya Aquafina Pepsi has been family, has been supportive. Mwebare munonga kandi mugwe mutuhagira mutakare cheraho. I want to thank my team, First Mine Entertainment and Team Medotex. Mwebare for standing with the guy. Media houses ababasa kuija. I see Bona FM, I see Thunder, I see Radio Ankore, I see TV West, I see UBC West, I see Radio West, I see Western Media, I see Muchiga TV, I see Moyo TV, I see so many people. Buri yomo mukitini sache. Mwebare munonga, mwebare kwija. Nyomara mugumbe etire, ndio muntu arukunda kuyiya. Nkunda kuyiya ideas. Kujangwe rizobo planning eje nchakaro planning eje. Katandika ikintu ninchikora December buri mwaka. It is entitled Kajara Festival. Umani jakana njata Kajara Festival ngo kwatatire posters atwena ntukimanya ngo Christmas ntwate rwashamira mu kishayi. So natutandikire kisya tucheta Ankore Carnival. Ntwena ngo tugumena cyo ntukikora buri mwaka. Chikore ntungamo, chikore kabare, chikore kisoro. Konga twenze ngo tutandikire umuka kugira ngo obwiro bw'injamani gawa minji nigabaga yo wanyu aho kuzaro. Bare kwija, mwebare kutukunda kandi nshangu mumene mutukunda nahituragume twashobya mutuhabure ikiragume cyatushobaho mututereze tubase guma tukwatagana tubase no kuombekana. Mwebare munonga.
Tukwaniriza Grenaded olimi lwosanza wano olwawukana mu katono ku lulo naye tujja kukwatagana
konkani nduhura
n'oluhurra basi kasita tubate tutugenda kutunda bitwogera byawano ojja kwanguwa okupiikinga amangu n'embeera naye era tulinawo oyo omusajja asobola okugana osobola okumunyonyola n'obugaba ogedde batibogedde bati bamuyita Kajara Boy. Kati Kajara Boy ali awo maaso. Alright. Tugenda kutandika na session ya sponsors. Babeko tusoga ku bibuuzo. Tuyinza okwerabire. Tufuneyo omuntu bidde amalo biddamu byonna atutangazeemuko ne ku mbeera security weyimiridde ekivula abantu basasula sente mmeka kitandika ssaawa mmeka twine beeshongozi ki so ebintu kebyo okirya linge kubani basa kujana timu n'abantu 10 umwimbe jana abantu 10 so at nza kutandikira lyo aba ikamukiga TV abo kugira ngo aburizawe
enjawulo eri ahali Kajara Festival na Ankole Carnival. Kajara Festival is strictly for Kajara, and Ankole Carnival is for the whole Ankole. I think oba wanchangaje Ankole Carnival, you can do it in Ibanda, you can do it everywhere, because abanyankole bitu baraburahamu. Konka Kajara Festival is strictly for Kajara. It is a celebration we do in December kugira ngo abanyakajara bitu babiziro mu Christmas tubase kushemerwa nabo batakahubara kandi tubase no kutungura Kajara ejo ebase kurugamo akubenerwa mwabeshongozi binji nerwa mwabashubuzi binji ari yemere mu minje rukorwayo kandi kugira ngo bundi tugipushinge twajonjera umisho kushango ryo mweshongozi wamani owanyu ni Kajara no uko kubasa kujombeka is through the music you have. So I use my platform kugira ngo nyombeke Kajara through Kajara Festival. Then ndeba kandi ngo tinyine kugumara Kajara yonga aho ndio mweshongozi wihanga ndio mweshongozi wa region yitwe ejinyine kugumana indondo kuna kubasa kujitambura mu regularly, and you can't go there with Kajara Festival no basa kuza with Ankole Carnival. So niyo difference. Then a bay okutahamu no mutwaro gumwe VIP emtware 2 emeza twineze mtwara 2 neze mtwara 5. Then ekindi wabuza beshongoza batushendekerize cyaba kirungi norebe bwire bwakarokoshanga nko gukora press conference kino kanchogere mu Ruganda no muganda angachurire edo kuranga press conference tezabangana wano pabageza ko kuteka we embere kuranga zibawo echo kubiri edo kusanga omuyimbi we Kampala nga ine nyimbe za manyi ngaguri ndadi ngokoze press conference no muyita jaberewo tecyari cyangu netusima katonda nti tugeza ko ku pavinga we netufune emikwano so kwatagana abasajja ngabano usango ina press conference najana akubererawo then kiraba yimbi badobuza hatwa tunabeshongozi abakuruga Kampala katugeze mu ninkabana ukareba ngo redo omwe yizire nchore kangu ebintu biri serious. So twine Paraso, twine Abdul Murasi, twine Ronald Arimpa, twine Green Daddy, twine DJ Shiv abona bakuruga Kampala. Then abita bahana ba region twine Sister Charity, twine Fact Zamani, twine Kachina, twine Nabs, twine Peterson MA, twine Best Emere, twine Kriston Maguru, twine DJ Bristol, twine MC Shukuran, MC Kunana, MC Kacheche, Lithan MC Mukuru Wechanga, TJMC abeshongozi ni bingi, performers ni bingi. Ensakutande ko muihangwe. It is a day and night event. It is a carnival. Abana mubarete kare bazombiye hubo bazombouncing kasozi baguruke megoyi birukiro mugutiya omuihangwe. Tusakwa twinene byehubo sakasi bicebyo. Then ekiro it's party time. Turiye tunywe tushemerwe tagurire mpako mukasheshe. Ibyo na byagenda je twantushabango bundu hanga twase bitukubara bikarabamu Paraso na wasa kwija nchakare tumutwara ready Ankole agambera abantu kuyija. So intebe kanisa basically nukweri yetyo nyine timu mpango yinkora nabo I have grant tumwina timu nyine peshi nyine na timu yitwe je yitukora na yitwe ya Faster Mind. So ruhanga yatuhereza embera nungi twine na ba sponsors bitu aba nyino kukiza ngomugoro gwitu nguza kubonera mwe bare muno. So wateka press conference wakana kandi nchakare nbo event nakajabiro nkakari kinji. So na ngo bintu bikwate today result bipostinge na nyenchakare tukake tubipostinge nobuntu twabasa kubizana mu mahurire tubizana mu mahurire ubwire bubase kutumara tuongere kupushinga njiri ehike hari. That is it.
Buza.
You know, they are already out. Abakwenda kugura they can buy. They are already out zashohora today. Ekirungize recorded abakwenda kuchukura muje mu kushimanya ngo mukuza kumara. They are already out. You can buy now. Mbasha kuzigura awa makutano a restaurant, babasha kuzigura aha Highlight Electronics Rwashamire, babasha kuzigura awa Chojo supermarket Rubare. They can even get them on Starbucks. Even here at Westville. Nahono babasha kuzitunga. Yes.
All right. Ningira tukimwahurira ibyo. Tuko inachi nechibuzo. Buza no problem.
all corners tukatandikira na guru batusayiningira twarugana guru twazambarara wa RPC yatuteramo umukono twija twareba DPC nawe yatukonfamingira. So as far as security is concerned, we are well okay. Twine shonga turabiro mitendera yenyine shikire kandi byo ne batushabire twabikora becha mane kibarinzire no runaku bakija bakatuha security. So mboye nabakwenda kwibo busimu abakwenda kwija kore fujo mwije mu kuchimanya ngo security ruguruguru and so mtakateka tango bunde I hope mwasa kuja kugire cyabaho as far as security is concerned. No kwa revenue na yetu ajishashuye. The clearance letter is here. Is right here with us. This is the receipt for revenue. What's the receipt for revenue? The revenue receipt is here. You can see copy received by Director Counterterrorism, Regional Police Commander, OC Revenue UPDF. Tukoza kutebekanisa event nkejiona utaruwero organized, otherwise abantu no basa kubajabiriza. So as far as security is concerned, turi okay. Se chamani nshaba abantu bitu bije kandi bije kare, then tuenda kusima abantu bita baguzire tickets. Honorable Rukutana aguzire tickets, Honorable Yona bikwasizehi aguzire tickets, Honorable Hanta Byenjeru agurira abantu tickets, Honorable Mushana Kenneth aguzire tickets. Arabanda bikagame yanangambira konkati baka confirminge. Then nekindi tuchine hote boys.
Mwijukabeho. John.
Mwijukabeho. Ena oba yimba mugamba konkati manyeza aguzire. But ababe nabanza kugamba bondi sure baguzire tickets. Actually is Kenneth Mushana. Nza kuzigabira Highlight Electronics. Actually Brian nakugenda nazo. CEO Highlight Electronics n'wogo rwashamire. So nakugena nazeza akajara zigabira abantu ijinga nabandi ba politicians abariyoko abakubasa kwa mbenda kugurira abantu babo tickets nikirungi kugurira abantu tickets bakija bakashemererwa nitwe nugo muhanda kumkwasa kutuhagira nitwe nyoncha karimana mutwetaga tukija tukabahagira. God bless.
Konkana we ba politician tuyambe tia politics gura ticket mugura bahazibana uriya nagura ticket igana kikaje nyenda gambira abantu atande kati no muhanda gwananga kanda miziganga shitama wagure meza ijana abantu bawe shitama ni borebe ushemerere buri wa politics kuburike zikati ngaina starlet yange UAA1 ya ready amafuta gendo kubeka profit mutufa abamunno katwandize green dead.
Yeah, science okubeera wano ekisooka ddala Merotex mukwano gwange nnyo era ndowooza yemu ku nsonga enkulu lwaki ndi wano. Kyakubiri ndi nze abamu Kampala bamanyi ndi Munyankole. Olw'ensonga nanye emikwano gy'Abanyankole nti abayimbi abasinga obungi ababeera eno bwe bajja Kampala basinga bannyoonyako era abantu bandaba nnyo nabo. Era Lunyankole tosobola kungeya. Newoleeta engero ati sinkwasa yakagamba awo ninga abadde angeya awo. Ankole Carnival. To me, ekigambo Carnival kigambo kinene. Era bulijjo Merotex mugamba nti ekigambo Carnival it's a big word. Bw'okwata ekigambo Ankole n'okigata ne Carnival. Bikola ekigambo kinene nnyo. It's a very big event. Era ndi wano kunga abantu abamu Ankole mwenna abawangaliramu abakoleramu n'ababeeramu n'abakuliramu n'abazaalibwamu to attending Carnival eno for the support of the culture, for the support of brotherhood. And Carnival wajitunulira tegenda kuma kusanyusa abantu. A lot of people are going to be like okufuna emilimo. nga bagenda gifunamu kaniva eyo. Understand? So tujje fena tugweyo mu bungi kulwa culture ng'Abanyankole n'abantu abawangalira mu Ankole n'abamanyi Olunyankole n'abaluwulira nga nze. Nabadde ne programs nyingi era Medo yaŋŋambye okujja ku press conference eno. Namugamba ekigambo nti ontisa omugugu omunene. Kwensonga nti ekintu ekisuddeko obusuuzi kyo kisooka. Kyakubiri mbadde ne programs nyingi nnyo nti bwe ŋŋaana okujja tekijja kunyiiza. Kuba already you didn't inform me earlier and have programs. Naye ate sigenda professionalism nensoka nenjisa ebbali ne ŋŋamba for the brotherhood let me go there mbeereyo press conference and to confirm with you guys nti buli muyimbi ali ku post eyo agenda kujja performing ku lunaku. Tewaliwo okubuzaabuza kwonna temulimu kugetaketa kwonna bintu bya ddala. Ankole Carnival twagambanga 3 August tugamba nti ku Lwokutaano. Waaw byebyo byange.
Mumukubire engalizaama.
Mpozi nina obubaka bwe nsaba mpiseewoko. Ndabye lwangozi nyingi nga abayimbi regional artists feel so offensed okubeera nga bayitibwa regional artists. Balo kye bayita reality and you can't deny reality. Bw'oba omuntu wakuyita regional artist, don't feel offended because that's who you are. You have to be proud of that. You go and represent wherever you come from. Ogeno represent ekyo kitundu. N'abantu like okweteekawo weteekewo bagambe nti Omunyankole omulabi akikoze. Nekati ndaba nnyo n'otuuka mu kitundu ng'ogenza okuyimba nsangayo challenge ezo. Nosangayo abayimbi baayo naga mwana mutusanze ku kitundu kyaffe mwagala tujooga. Wadde kiyinza okuba nga kyakola nnyo amawulire nti mu West nti waliwo kamera n'omubbi yakikola yali w'amaanyi. Naye nationwide buli gye tugenda okuyimba osangayo abayimbi abagala okuchallenginga. Not musically but okulaga nti bo baawo. Okitegedde? Ekitali kibi naye like omuntu mu challenging ng'okozesa bikolwa. Si bigambo olina gyenagamba mwe like oyinza okwakoze ne promoter program nti nze Kwankole Carnival ngenda kuyimbawo ssaawa 4 neyongereyo ngende enkola ebirala. Notuuka ku ssaawa 4 nosangawo omuyimbi program ye baya ssaawa 6 oba yabadde ya ssaawa 2 n'atajja ku 2 kunyana gyalagamba nedda ssebo tojja kuyimba fe abawano like nze ndi muna Uganda ate ndi musajja Muganda nti bwe nva nengeri Nigeria niwaga muna Uganda yoyo saga laki mumpito muna Uganda. That is who I am. Let us be proud of who we are. Let us work hard tweteekewo tufuuke kye twagala okufuuka nga tukifosingawo bufosinze kijja tukola nnyo with respect.
Nese gyendoza mugifunye bulungi nyingi dangamba soyingiddeo namba emu nemuganjaga nnyo mbe namba 2 kuba luwompa namba 2 mba nkola nnyo okunoonya enamba gyompa naye nga luwompa namba emu mba ninga atuuse ate nga sinnakola ki. So yemu message Green Daddy gyabadde agezaako okuyisaawo
akalala kano
nena bamutuyisamu eggaali nnyo
nga bwe gambye you can't deny reality. Naye
babounsa security tuli ku layini basooka batugirambeyo bize ngamba management namwe musogerengako fena tukwatagane kubanga era aboyimbira muno oyimba olulimi Luganda ate bano Banyankole ate n'Abanyankole bayimbira Baganda
kituufu.
So enkwatagana kisinga byonna.
Nina Medo wembeera nnyo naye Olunyankole sirumanyi nnyo naye ninamu obugambo bwe nakwata. So
nga buliwa
nakwata akagambo mugamba nnyo ono waliwo wabeera nga alina byaneetagako nankubira nnyo nemugamba Abanyankole nimuteganisa kati
ate kyokitu
kati akagambo kankwata. So lumu nali nawe namukwano gwange musirikale captain kati ne nkogera ku simu era ono yali ankubira in fact yali angamba okujja ku press conference eno nga ntangaza lwaki nina okujja biki nemulaga nange nemutangaza programu yange lwaki sigera kola ki kujja nene mali mugamba ate nakikolera kigwe wange nemugamba naye abanyankole ni muteganisa so captain yali atuddenga wano wenava ku simu yayomba you can't say that ntosobola kwogera leki yakifula nnyo personal nemugamba tukakozesa bade simanyi kali offensive simanyi kibi nnyo okutuukaawo naye yanyooka nnyo so nezamu nembuuza ono balima agamba okagamba nti abanyankole musumbuwa kusimu nangamba nemugamba naye nga bwenkyogeredde omusajja nga alaze nti naye kampemudde
tuli basumbuyi ate nga bwotanafuna wali obulalala ojja kunyigiriza mpolampola nalonda kya era bwokawulira nga bagambye ogunalonda kya omanya bakubuuza anonya ekiwona yatahamu bulaka era oluyingidde ekikwawo kikuba nnombiri era yonna atahamu bulaka so oyo omuyimbi Green Daddy, thank you so much. Omwana ogu oyo omuyimbi yaluyimba omwana ono sponsor tandika n'omukulu onsasire ku highlight kwekoma omunonga nebutuyizire kuri yankankwini obutuyije omunanka.
Amazina ni Taremo Brian, CEO Highlight Electronics. Mushaho guni aside yanje mbwenu inkumaro kunkumweta nabona akimanya akwano we yankuruze akanto mu business kana tukira hamwe so abinji tumukumanya muhure n'umutura n'umuhurizi izina ryanje ndinchira Highlight Electronics nenchira konkani nye mukama yarko jikuru so mbwenu nkokuba agamba ticket okuzira benzuguze bwa duka no zirabe ziri then nechini ndukuruga higuru kwena ngunteba abo kwagera munonga amantura ni kwagera tarona waragiziresho nkabora gura tebo nate ninja gura tebo twakuruga so
abantu babagiga bitwenda mucanga
naba ticket zemitwara abiri
kati mazima Green Daddy lecho twawula ku bantu abalala chicho just
ebigambo byanje nibice
tuzo okusanyuka ati tukuwende
nzazi gaba simu abazimba
ate kansala amoni ya brand ambassador
gwe no boss so ebigambo byanje nibyebyo ticket nemitwara abiri tebo nemitwara makumyana kanzi kutira simu yawe
mukubire ngaliza amanyi yange yo Brian nyoga murebera kuyo munanka ebigambo byani muchere guli baba mikono jafa abalindi naye wamakutano akamera ako kasanga ateka bei ka kutesa ngaboze oyingira oyagala bukeka obulunjo nage ngenda kusuuta mpaka kuwulira bubi tugeze okusponsor dako Starbucks
ngawulijjo
temugaga mutugabire mungo kumasenyereza
amazina Ivan Naturinda, manager Western Region, Starbucks International. Tutwashemerwa okuba mu press conference eji kandi ngokuchuma Starbucks twiza nimwe mwatwakira kandi turuho buri event yone kubaho ntwaturuho nimwe akwa niyo mukatuberaho. So in the names of Starbucks, I think we are the official sponsor of that event. And tukaba zitwe ngabantu mamutaroho. Because company is us, is you, is everyone. So our brother Medo no maishi tukozire and twiza tarogar kanyima izo atwine Medo nyenchakare twino ndizo shukrani nyate chino chetegereza
19 mwaja mubale mugabe
yeah, on that day Starbucks eresere bintu bingi ebyera twereze twine gas lubricants, t-shirts, aprons, reflectors njamazire zatandikire, fuel vouchers, tuine ebintu bingi munonga nga Starbucks ebyerukukora, because it has gone beyond kuruga amashita. Now they're sponsoring events in a service base. It gives back to people. Akwa msupportingire munonga, so nanimbeta mwena mbase kwa numuiza mukorogo event ejo Arebads Starbucks egawudde Arebads orabanze kushikaho nazagambira mugenzi we tinda kigambe kiriho kongora abanze kuka event like this nazagambira mugenzi we. So reka tugezeho tubona twize kare tubagana biro bya Starbucks bera turetere nebera tuhereze no basa kurgona gas oine moto kana urgona oil, reflectors are there, aprons, we have caps, t-shirts, everything, because Starbucks has gone beyond kugama shita ati nekora all the products abaman ganyu kandi on behalf of Starbucks ntusima munonga abo kutagira because ehimutari twakubeireho itokubaho na bwimo. So and we are bringing more services in Western region. Njya tukabanza Kampala, but now we are Western region because mukatubera abantu barungi mwatwakira and we are ready to give you good services. So events akora events
ndiaha
watakagwezija
ejo yokuyaho matoro akatano nebayaho.
yes
and kaga twashuma rukunjira
deka twena tweshangeyo ebirabo tuyore t-shirts tuzware tushemerwe mwebare mnono
twabakira mwena mwebare kwija okusupportinga omuntu witu as usual Medo aka Kajara Boy. Nyowe na Medo turugire hali munonga. We've always been there for each other because ntweshanga tukora business nizo zumwe shanga nawe na supportinga, so we support each other. Yes, so Uncle Canvo is on Friday. Me, what I can tell you, a friend. Tell a friend to pass by at Makutano, buy one ticket. Tell a friend to tell a friend to pass by Makutano, buy another ticket. So echintambule like that. Me myself, I already bought a table. The table, yeah, Makutano stuff, but still we can't fit on that table. So I have to buy more tickets. Though we shall be serving you, giving you food, etc. and everything. When you see me, you see food. Yes. When you see me, you see food. Yeah, when you see me, you see food. You see me, you see juice. Exactly.
By the way, to cut her short, Nwari in charge of amandazi, chapati,
sambusa, chips.
Yes.
Kati zembadde ngamba nange kushare nange nkwadde video.
Amina. Amina.
So, when you mwade kubwerere
venue njimuwadde.
Amina.
Nako bakatukoledde.
So Makutano will be giving out. Just pop in Makutano for people, buy a Lusania of 40,000. You win yourself one ticket straight to the show. You buy a Lusania. Yeah. You buy a Lusania of 65. That one serves 4 to 6 people. You win yourselves 2 tickets. Yeah, so you just pop in Makutano. It's on Kabale Highway, Kabale Mbara Highway at Gas Energy. We are just next to the new Starbucks, though it's a little bit in front. So that's where we are located. Era tusaba Starbucks. Muna amala okuzimba mutuwekwe ekifawe wamwe.
Take out branch.
Yes. Yes. So please pop in Makutano. Just ask your Lusania. One of you will walk away with a ticket to the Ankole Carnival.
Please,
So please, let's support our boy, our homeboy always. Let's make it world, countrywide, chitambule, chikule, and let's have fun in Ntungamo. Like people think Makutano, in Ntungamo, we can't host such musicians. Yeah, that's the truth. When you tell them Palazzo is coming, Balimba. When we told you Winnie Nywaji was coming, people were like, Nedda. She's Tisoboka, but she came.
Yes.
So still now, Palazzo will be here tomorrow evening. So spread the gospel. Let people... Yes. So let's follow twegoberere ngente wezegobera nga zigenda okunywa amatanga tugenda wa Ankole Carnival. Thank you very much, Chamate. Yes, thank you very much for coming. We appreciate your presence. God bless you.
Calling? Or recording?
That's why I'm recording.
Okay. Makutano restaurant.
ngenza arwa yarwa mawondo so nchimanyisa ndi Kajara Boys bachireba so medo toksogu numusha murungi munywano wanje munonga kurugakari kandi tutambwire hamwe nimba ndiyo ko mu national park bwindo kumugwaho chihi meeting point nuwe Ntungamo nuwe so really n'umuntu wanje kurugakari na Kristo ubwo n'umushaho na promoting nkatambuza na hati nchumwini so nina abantu binja bunku asalamu kono even kuruga Kampala mpaka mu western home so ninye natandikire Kigali night mu western so nanyecho ni kiraki nchine mwamani kandi twachongera mwamani mu western kibasa kukwatayo ni mwabeshongozo mukarebe mwakantu wako Kigali night twayongera mu bundo buntu burungi nubasa kuretera business ya tambura so all in all the manager wa Bump Hotel ya Rubare ninye ndikuzebembera zone konkanka Sharok Star Marubare nanye nimbakira kandi nyenda tuhagire umusigazi w'itogu turebe ngu ekintu cye cyargayo no hangambire konka kwangambire nananye na yakiteka mu manya twargaho twejumbire Bump Hotel Rubare rwa Mukaga nitwe tuzakuba twine Rain na Maulana so turyarga tugendere direct ngai turara mu Kikiri tuzo ngai mu Kikiri kandi emere nitwe tujine emere nungi kandi twagira Madam Makutano abo kwa n'umuntu witkurga kare so really western twenda tushkwatsa samana azantunga mubagome birucire kunuya so Makutano twakwataga na Bump nchimasa nzakore ikintu eki
ako gatoyeshoga kuko mchivu
yes
chivu Makutano kuna
so mwebare kandi mwebare munonga
Bani banyeta Precious at Haire. I'm the area manager, territory sales manager for Kabale territory that takes from Ntungamo to Rubale, Kabale and Kisoro. To be part of the event, we are actually excited to be part of this event. It's an amazing opportunity for all of us and for everyone. As Pepsi, yeah, of course we are sponsoring and we are offering you a drink for everyone who will be on the table. Everyone, a soda and water. This is our water, it's called Aquafina. It's very good water. It's a global brand. It is not just a Ugandan brand, it's a global brand. Waza Nigeria, waza Dubai, waza Nkahe, Agami zinoza Gashangai. So I encourage all of you to drink it. It's actually very good water. Yeah, I encourage all of you out there to come and attend this event. I'm sure we are going to enjoy it. We shall all be there. I'm sure we are going to have maximum fun, starting early in the day to late in the night. Please come and join us and come enjoy with us. Thank you very much.
Nkola na Pepsi nka accountant wa area na shemererwa mnonga ka Carnival ya Medotex bo bari mnonga kutwata ebendera. It is not easy cause washanga umuntu arasa kwata ebendera ya Ankole mu area yituruma keta abantu bingi abari influential akabareto mwanya nkogu. Itom business eche kintu cyeta celebrity endorsement like to bring celebs to trade our products in the area, let's say. Now for us itaba Pepsi shemerirwa munonga koko mukuru wanje kuyayagambire mukamanjaha ba offering ebyo kunywa buri table azananisha babantu mutakaye bwa mutwina another new brand on market iba kweta 7 up abako batakajimanyire erumbu 7 up bonire. You come and enjoy. It will be on every table. Twinendi jeje tujeta Pepsi Zero hati, the so-called Pepsi Max. It will be available on all tables. So come and enjoy. Let's all enjoy. Let's support Medotex. Let's support Aquafina. Let's support all companies that have at least contributed, that have put an impact on this carnival. I really thank you, and I will welcome everyone who will be on that carnival. Thank you so much.
Medotex will not be here for the next 30 years. So, nichirungi kuguma twagira mu followings tukagira mamani nkago, we create such a platforms kugira ngo abanda baturiye nyuma babona ibakubasa kurabera. Ari n'ikindi wareba ngo events nkezi zikazakira ku bantu ngamo makutano ya Kigambe zikoshangana zikomambara nzikomar Antonde, so washangana zija ntungamo kimanyisa ngo turiyo ntukura turiyo ntuwombeka, and we are creating more jobs green daddy ya Kigambe. Ankole Carnival no shangangu umuntu nayijateka umudara gwa chapati abona haka center jana shashura bana school fees, umuntu najateka umudara gwenyama, umuntu naja ko ebintu nibyinje bitukubasa gukora. So icyamano muri byona no kureba ngo twakwatanisa twayambana twakorera hamwe twabasa kombekana nyencha kare twagiye twasigaho kuturi bataciruho abaru babaruho bamanyingu twatu.
Point ya mani nyo point nonje nyo dama kantako bakalikodi bino byetukora gwenda nyago kire bulungi byonna sawa yebyo tukola tugenda kweza emyaka 5 bakome maso nga famani gakendete naye aba abalijjawo bali manya ati Green Daddy yavuge muruka nave Kampala na supporting a Medo kati buvunaanyizibwawe naye okutandikira awo n'agamba olwa Green Daddy yakikola mukadde ako lwaki nzi kikola omwami point jayegedde
kiwadde ngambe ekyo
atenga mbadde wanengamba Medo nti okusinza bwenda mbadde nzirayo kati naye mugambi ne mugaba naye ebintu byonna weebiri kamberewo paka show hotelo yiyo restaurant yino ebyokunywa bibino
akasagi akakulabye
amafuta gaga na stabek
atokongera mukono
kamberewo paka lunaku lwa show
buli kintu kyonna kitandika n'ekintu kibayita okwekkiririzaamu. Bwe nali mpulaningira show yange nze show yange giplaningidde emyaka ebiri naye nga mbeera nga munangamba naye kati ogenda okukola tugenda kufunayo akabaala muba ojja okole. Namugamba naye oli mutuufu kubanga awondaba naye ate nange nyina wenneeraba so kangezaaka wenneeraba nkulage kukisoboka kati naye oba ojja
mpaka tuongerere. Let's post this, let's make noise. Tujeta noise, let's make noise. Reka tutekeho noise, tutekeho ku arumu event nebasa no kupickinga from today ushangu ine cyane kibura mu ka ground buri kintu cyasimba. Inakiyana mpabura mogu munywano wanje industry yitu y'abanyankole ikatandika abantu batera ubudingidi, yatandika abantu batera za dungu, batera za xylophone, nibeshongorera street, nibeshongorera bugoma, nibajumike mizindaro aha Nyungu. Twagumana tukura nyunga ba DJ for some good time. Twatere byoma twabitandikira tape twabiha CD kongano reba ngo hata hitwashika washanga umweshongozo wa Nyakabanga Kazara rwa Shamiri no basa kutebekanisa Carnival erikuingana eto mu kishayi oketa beshongozi banywano bakaruga Kampala bakarugambara mazima turiyo ntukora ichamani tuongere kwatanisa tuongere kukorera hamwe nindeba ngo there is success coming. There is indeed success coming. Sechamani mutakawa mani Grindadi echiro ya dangamba nti bwenda bakenzo kuba Grindadi yakula ne kenzo na tete bamanyiganye muhaso bwala bakenzo byali tamu celebrating nti mu ngeri eri abantu bamu celebrating mu mutima agambula kenzo asokikola nange nsobola osegera chengamba katola banganze so kuvenya kabanga ngana DJ Medonga nkube byuma bya hamu nkube bya Isa ngakati so kutegeka kanivo kitegeza nawo ko nizosobola osegera no mulala tetukola bino tuli bagezi nyo tetukola bino tuli bagaganyo moroka hiyo yunkadde nyo tuza kuvuga yongo ina sente
ina bitizo
osegera kati segeza tukola bino just at least tulekeho mark to inspiring abalala twezemu amaanyi kuba tugenze Kampala ne tubera ne bano ne batulaga ebintu ebikolwa ebintu ebitambula emirimu bwegigenda soba nayi kisoboka we can do it ogomsa akaro mutabano wanje arukukora omuduuka yanje konka hati ni boss
kati wakusponsor
hati ni sponsor wanje oyo ali mutabani wange akola muduuka lyange kati sponsor wange
mutufu mutaizo kunnyonnyola wasi natolikira mukalyoke ngaokola bwe musi mukalyoke
eri mu kizungu
wegadda nze nali komando nnyonnyonnyo
ate mu yonna
nenajja nembera jasobera oli brandinga mu mpola kati nze alina ekivule ekyogeza abantu bomwembala ono yali atunda binyeebwa wali omukono gaffe yali atunda bikajjo Mariachi wali enasana ku Yesu amala yatundaga bikajjo
buli omu bw'aba alina wasobola okuyambira munne ng'olaba olina ky'osobola okugata ku munno bana ebino byansi tell a friend nti bino byansi nze ebbanga lyemmaze sigenaako kulumbe nendabanga omuntu bamuzika nagala abadde alina emyaka 2
nkugambye emyaka 10 okuva wano nga weeva ekyusi
osege
okyalira stabesa asooka omwana akali mwizuko ogutuwokuwa bronoku
so bw'oba olina ky'osobola okukola like now ng'olina ky'osobola okuyamba munno muyambe tine ky'olikuferwa oyine kandro yawe erikwaka hano eriho omurro bakareta endiijo bakiyaho omurro egite kurara bro so ahubwo etara neyongera mu gihe etari 2 kyokurebera nyo abantu bowitu nkegesa ba DJ binje byoma bayege byoma kunagira omukweshonga na inspiring abana binji babe beshongozi bamani so mureke tukwatirane tuyambane twena ntubasa kuba bakabi anaza kwa rebara na hari hendizo kandi zona nizikora agency ni nkenyanja tino kubasa kujefuga ngo ajye ninza kujihezaho nothing you can take on this nturiya hamakura nko kuraba kurya kakora no chenga much mbategerize mwena ebiro 30 tweshanga mu kishayi cya mate tukirobate tutagure and this is an annual event. It is season 1 ruhanga yatuhira magara next year season 2. I love you so much. Bless fire.
Yo medotex yeba nawe ngabo birungi ate bigambe biza subulo kijja kecho okulya kikwate nga kalira kubanga omuntu yenna agenda kunonya nga asinzira ku ekyo kyokola tunonyeza bannamawulire olwaleero okusinzira ku kibakola ate kati singa atadde munnamawulire owa boda tumwagaza ki enetegereza atusiima Westville Management okutuwa ekifo netukolera press conference mwe balinyo bali ddala ate nkakasa nti ze bwe natuka